Guys, we are at Vogel State Park this morning. We're going to try to catch a few trout. There's some trout running around up even through here, and as we go up the stream here, there's going to be several more trout. So we're going to bait up and see if we can't catch a few today. Hope you enjoy this video. Maybe a little bit short, but we for sure want to get a few catches on camera and tell you that this place is very beautiful. Big nice lake, campgrounds and everything. So let's see what we can do. Stick around, guys, please, and give this video a thumbs up and give us a sub if you haven't already. We'd be grateful. All right, let's go fishing. All right, guys, we're using a little bit of orange power bait today. I've seen a couple fish in here. The further we go up, the more fish there will be. So I'm gonna make a couple casts here, then we'll start heading upstream and see if we can't get one down there. I just had one bite it immediately, but that don't mean we catch them every cast. Maybe we can get one over here. They're not very hungry, I guess. Every now and then you'll get one to. We may have to move up and check some of these other spots, and then we will come back down and let these. Got one. Got one, Jonah. Check it out, guys. Mark. Check out this beauty. Oh, there we go, guys. Beautiful trout. We're not going to keep these guys. We're going to let them go. But hopefully y'all can see it. I'm going to turn the camera off long enough to get him loose and maybe get a picture and put him back. But their fish are beautiful. Let this beautiful rainbow go back. Hopefully y'all can see him. Don't get my leg. We'll put him back here and see if we can get him perked back up a little bit. Hopefully my leg's not in the way. There he goes. Look at him. That was awesome. What? Did you see him get it? All right, dude, I'm getting tired of it. You're gonna have to jerk it. Otherwise, I won't get to do no more fishing.
Hey, this is the fish they caught if we can go down the waterfall.
You have to keep your eye on the fish when it's hitting it. Otherwise, he'll spit it out. And there's some easier spots up top that would do just as many fish as right here. Dip it down in the water. I'm here with my son, guys. So see the fish over there? Yeah. You're gonna have to kind of cast up and then let your bait float down, because it's only going to be in the water just for a couple minutes before. See him over there? Look at him jumping. Good. Oh, you need a little bit harder. You're just doing the underhand. You need to kind of put a little more in it. Good. It's right in front of one of them fish. He's fixing to get it. He's got it. Jerk, jerk. All right, try again. Try again, he had it.
You can't throw it.
Yeah, cast that there a little harder. Good. but you need her to kind of cast upstream a little more because they're staying right in that current. And unless you don't, if you don't hit that current, yeah, if you don't hit that current, Jonah, it will. See, you're doing the underhand. You got to go like that. We're gonna try to get this guy back in the water again. Try not to get my. Oh, there he goes. Oh, come on, buddy. He's a little distraught. Come on, buddy. There he goes. What we may have to do is move to another spot. These fish here may have gotten kind of used to the seeing the lure or seeing the bait. Oh, there's one. That's a little guy.
This sounds like dog. They're shaking.
Woo! He's shaking. We'll get him off. We'll get him right back in the water. This is a lot of the size we catch in the creeks up close to my house. There's actually some bigger ones in here. There we go. Well, he's peeing everywhere. I hope that's pee anyway. We don't know. There he goes. Right here. I didn't see any fish up there. Look at that big one, Jonah. Well, somebody's got a fishing line right there already where they got caught in a tree. Let's take turns casting. Boy, all right, he hit it. Go ahead, it's your turn. That's okay. All right, let me try. Oh, I lost my bait. But they're hitting it. You just got to get it over there in their face. That's a good cast, son. Let him take the bait. Had a good time today, guys. I got skunked by my son. And we're going to try to catch one more. At least I'm going to try to catch one more. I've had a good time. I hope you guys have had a good time. Please take a minute to thumbs up this video. Subscribe to Bama'S Outdoors if you haven't already. And hit that bell at the top for notifications for future videos and stuff. And we look forward to doing some other fishing trips and hiking and things of that nature here in the near future. So, as always, happy fishing and God bless.